Budi and Mr. Sasakawa to do the honor together. This is the key to open 22nd International Leprosy Congress. On my countdown in 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the 22nd International Leprosy Congress is now officially open.
On my priority list before I met Sasakawa-san in May 2023. Because when I talked to him, he said, Budi is not talking about priorities, but this disease should be already gone, should be already managed, should be already, eliminated. And as my friend Ibu Saima mentioned, that 98 countries of WHO are already successfully eliminated, this disease. And for you that maybe you don't recall, WHO has 194 member states. So if 98 countries already eliminated leprosy, there are still another 96 countries member of WHO, including Indonesia, which are not yet successful in eliminating leprosy. And for you, it's just good for you to know that United Nations, as Sasakawa-san just mentioned, has only 192 countries. So I just realized also, Sasakawa-san mentioned 192. So WHO have more countries than United Nations. So I just did a very short chat GPT, and I realized that those are two countries. One is Cook Island and the other one is Niue. Both of them are Western Pacific countries. So in WIPO, in member of WHO WIPO, who are not a member of United Nations. So to my friend from WHO, you are a more legitimate and bigger organization than United Nations. Your parents are. But back to that, 96 countries out of 98. So what's wrong with these 96 countries? In my view, after I discussed with Sasakawa-san, it's a matter of commitment. It's a matter of executions. Because everything is there. The screening instrument or screening methodology, the treatment methodology, all is there. The issue is commitment. The issue is as simple as executions. And I have to admit to myself, Indonesia maybe is not as serious as other countries and not as committed to other countries to do this. Typical Indonesian. I'm proud as Indonesian, but I also realize that Indonesia, we love to have seminars like this, but when we want to execute things, usually we are very bold in executions. We have to have party, we have to have meetings, but when we execute, 100 years is not finished. So that's why I put a target to my team. How many countries, how many cities out of 514 cities that we have already eliminated leprosy?
Juga banyak disebutkan itu masalah kusta. Kemudian juga di Hindu juga banyak disebutkan masalah kusta. Jadi kusta itu adalah ancient disease, jadi penyakitnya. Dan kemudian jatuhnya pada saat itu adalah pada kondisi karena tidak ada obat, jadi akan mengakibatkan kecacatan. Dan kecacatannya sangat mengerikan. Ibu bisa bayangkan kecacatannya dia itu tidak terasa sakit, tapi tangannya pelan-pelan menjadi resorpsi. Kita sebut sebagai mutilasi, jadi tulangnya putus segala macam. Mukanya berubah menjadi mengerikan. Itu adalah katanya. Baru ditemukan penyebab kumannya itu pada tahun 1987 oleh Gerard Armour Hansen 1878. Itu ditemukan kusta, penyebabnya adalah bakteri yang disebut sebagai Mycobacterium kusta. Tetapi anggapan kusta yang buruk itu sudah berakar di masyarakat, berkembang terus. Ditemukan itu masalah infeksi. Nah, tidak mudah juga. Pertempuran antara pengetahuan dan agama saat itu luar biasa. Dan tidak mudah dianut bahwa ini adalah penyakit yang curable disease karena penyakit infeksi. Dan itu kita rasakan di tengah masyarakat saat ini. Padahal sekarang obatnya sudah tersedia. As early as possible, we can diagnose leprosy, we can prevent disability, we can prevent di kecacatan. Ya. Itu yang penting. Jadi kuncinya adalah penemuan dini. Tapi apakah mudah penemuan dini? Ternyata juga tidak. Karena gejala kusta itu adalah dia tidak merasakan nyeri, anestesia. Bagaimana orang bisa berobat kalau dia tidak nyeri, tidak ada rasa sakit? Baru dalam stadium terakhir, kemudian timbul rasa sakit kalau dia kumannya terlalu banyak menimbulkan reaksi. Nah itu yang terjadi. Kenapa? Bahwa stigmanya demikian besar. Against the stigma, look like this against in the mind is against religion, for example, religion of tradition, against the tradition. This is the problem. Jadi kita harus masuk semua lini.